didn't fake it, sir. I guess I didn't make it.